yet another amazing session with us, BYJU'S. I'm Aishwarya, and today's session is the unit test league on the chapter Nutrition in Plants. Welcome everyone. I can see Anik is here. Hi Anik. I am amazing. I am very excited. I'm meeting all of you after such a long time. Yes, I can see Aisha is here. I have Shyamala here, Himanshi, okay, Jaskaran, Madiha, all right, Shweta is here, hello, all right, Khalid, Khushali, Apsara, Ritika, Rahul, Shrishti, Beena, amazing. Welcome to the class, everyone. You know today's class is the unit test league, so the Menti code is 90415556. Yes? So can we send it to them on the chat as well? So we'll be sending it to you. Go to www.menti.com and use the code 90415556. Yes? Hi Chetan, hi Raj, hello. Yes, hi Sunidhi, hi Anita. Yes, have you all joined the Menti platform? Have we joined? Yes? Okay, I can see 45 of you are here in the live and 26 of you have joined. Okay, good evening everyone. Hello Dhirendra. Yes, how was your day? Right, how was your day? How excited are you for today's class? Have you all studied and come? Yes, Rahul says, that's amazing Rahul. That is great. Yes, Deepa has joined. Naira, I hope I got your name right. That's a very interesting name. Yes, amazing, super duper excited. George is here. Hi Vanshika. Okay, the code is there. Anika has joined. Amazing. I am great. I'm very happy to see all of you. Right? 35 of you have joined the class. That is great. So we'll wait for one more minute so that everybody else takes the time and joins. So in the meanwhile, can you all tell me how was your day? Did you all study for the class today? Have you studied for the test? Hi Jessica, hi Soumik, hi Yuvraj. Oh, Dhirendra had a debate competition. That is great. Thank you Raj for sending it. Yes, I know right Anik, it's been a while. Yes. Right. So Shweta, don't worry about it. You have 3 weeks of UTL, right? There's a lot of time, but I would always recommend that you focus on the current exam that is there. You read the textbook. Our log says I'm from another class. Yeah, you can. You of course can. I will not say no to it. Amirul, that is great. Congratulations. Hi Keba, welcome. I'm Aishwarya and I teach biology. You are part of the 6 to 8 channel. Yes, and in the 6 to 8 channel, we are here for you to give you all this important classes that will help you succeed in your academics, right? Hello Rupchand, hello. Yes, I practiced very nicely. That is great. Yes, Rahul, you can. Not an issue at all. I'm waiting one more minute, Vishesh, so that we can wait for everybody to join. Yes, I remember you. Of course I do. Right, I can see 48 of you have joined Menti and 59 are there on the live. Okay then. Guys, the others, quickly join the code. Code is there, menti.com. Code is 90415556. Yes? All right. Now, of course, here's a quick reminder for the BYJU'S mini learning program where you know that we had a limited time offer on the YTFREE code, but now the YTFREE code offer is going to end on 17th of July. So please make sure that you guys have tried the mini learning program out. Yes, Aisha, it will start, and for those of you who are new to the class, I can see a lot of you are here who are new. Join our Telegram community, because in our Telegram community, we give you a lot of updates, right? We give you session notes, PDFs, revision questions, and so much more. Yes? Now, very quickly, all of you, I'm going to stay on the slide for 2 minutes maybe where we want you to fill in your details. The only reason being that because for the UTL, we need to track your marks, we need to track your progress. And for that very reason, we request you sincerely to fill up your details and for nothing else, right? Hi, Arvind. Hello. Yes, also, okay, you are new and also in Telegram. So in case if you are new in Telegram and your parents are not feeling very comfortable in you joining it, you can request them to join on your behalf. Yes, not that you have to do, because you all are very young to be part of social media as well. Thank you, Raj. Thank you so much. Completed. 46 of you are here on this, 48, 62 in the live, but I'm seeing 52 of you here. Right. Science exam is on 29th of July. Shweta, best preparation you are having with UTL, right? Hi Kushagra, good evening. All completed. Yes, done, done, done. So I'm going to take time in the beginning only because later on you guys know nutrition and plants very well. You're all pros at it. I am sure you will do an amazing job. Yes, Shreyasi's was yesterday. How was it? How did the exam go? Oh, is that so, Anita? Ritika, sorry. Yes. Advanced happy birthday to you. Yes, I saw that they were all wishing you, but I missed out on the date, I guess. But advanced happy birthday. 70 of you have filled this. We have reached it, right? Yes. Okay. So we are going to get started. Go to your Menti platform. Are we ready? We are going to get started, guys. I'm going to wrap the session up in half an hour because I want all of you to spend some time studying. 65 of you are there. A lot of emojis on the screen. Yes? Right. Okay, then. We'll get started with the first question and answer fast to get more points. Yes? Human beings can be categorized as what? Right? As heterotrophs, autotrophs, parasites, or saprotrophes. Yes? What is the answer to this for all 70 of you or 68 of you who are here? I don't want the answer coming in the chat, okay? All of you, please don't reveal the answer. Let's just tell me when you are done with the answer. Very good, very good. Hi, Defina. Hello. Hi, Mahapriya. Mahapriya, please don't reveal the answer. Yes, very good, very good. Well done, everyone. Human beings are categorized as heterotrophs, right? Now, 8 of you got a slight misconception that maybe autotrophs. So, can you tell me why all of you marked heterotrophs? Can you tell me in the chat? Because I know you know the answer. Why do we say that humans are heterotrophs? All right, Divit Jyoti, I think this will definitely be helpful. Yes, all right. Okay, hetero means other. Very good. Because they get food only from other organisms. They are dependent on other organisms. Very good. So here, as you know, heterotrophic mode of nutrition is a type of nutrition where an organism is dependent on another organism for food. And we know that most animals, right, or I would say all animals are heterotrophic in nature, while autotrophs are those that prepare their own food, right? Hetero means dependent or hetero means other. No problem, Palak. No problem at all. Please do join the Menti. Trophos means nourishment. Very good. We'll rephrase it to nourishment, right? Yes, very good. Oh, nice way of remembering, Kushagra. Very good. Now moving on to question number 2. Let's go and focus on our screens. Oh, okay. Sorry, Bhavika. Really sorry. All right. Let's look at question number 2. Answer fast to get some more extra points. Yes? Most of the plants are autotrophs. This statement is what? Is it true? Is it false? You cannot decide, or you think sometimes it will be true but sometimes it is false. Everybody, it is important that you look at the statement. Most of the plants are autotrophs, right? Read the statement thoroughly. That is something that I always tell you. Very good, everyone. Very, very good. Yes. Well done. I am extremely proud of all of you. 70 of you have got this answer right. Because we know when we talk about autotrophs, like I told you, autotrophs are those organisms that prepare their own food from simple substances. And most green plants can prepare their own food, right? So most is important. Because of course, in nature, we know that, there are some exceptions. All right, that is great, everyone. Well done, and I'm extremely proud of all of you. No issues, Shreyasi. See, for those of you who may tend to make mistakes, right, and I see this happening in the UTL, whenever you are making some errors, don't please get worried, right? Don't feel bad about it. Just figure out where you've gone wrong and just keep that in mind, right? Okay, moving on to question number 3. Yes, 2 out of 2, that is brilliant. Question number 3 out of 15. Let's have a look. Don't worry, Aisha, don't worry. Which part of the plant is called as the food factory? Yes, stem, root, leaf, flowers. What is the answer? Guys, this is a very simple one, no? You all got this as a homework question also in our concept sessions. So I am assuming that all of you would have got the answer. Yes, it's a very simple one, no? Right. Brilliant, brilliant. I can see some of you have put stem, root and leaf. Please tell me. I mean, flowers were also there. Some of you have gotten confused, right? So when we say food factories, yes, what do we mean by food factories? Can you all quickly tell me in the chat? What do we mean by food factory? Yes, right. So here, of course, Abhishek is telling in cactus stem is the food factory. Yes, Abhishek, so I get your point and it is correct. But we have not, so cactus is just one plant, right? Or we're talking about a certain category. But in most of the generic plants that are there, no? In most generic plants or most green plants that we see, leaves are there. So this is a very direct question. We don't need to think too much about it, right? Yes, very good. Okay, so Bhavika, you can go to www.menti.com in a separate page and type the code that is 90415556. Yes? Very good, everybody. Very good. Yes. You can enter your name. All right. Are we clear with this? For those of you who are slightly bit confused, are we clear? Can you give me a quick stream of thumbs up in the chat to let me know that we're good to go? Because you know that if there's an issue, I will, stop and help you out. Very good, very good. Yes, I'm moving to the next one, but quick stream of thumbs ups in the chat that I want. Green signal. Okay. Great. Moving on. Yes, it's a quick reminder that the leaves are the food factories because we know leaves consist of chloroplast. That's a cell organelle that consists of chlorophyll, right? That's why we call them as food factories, where the process of food production or photosynthesis takes place. And this we're talking specifically for green plants. Now let's move on to question number 4, right? Let's have a look. Answer fast to get some more points. During photosynthesis, plants do what? Right? Plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Take in carbon dioxide but do not release oxygen. Or take in oxygen but do not release carbon dioxide. Guys, focus. I don't want you to be fast here. I want you to be careful with the answer. Well, what do you know? By the time I finished reading the options, you guys have already marked it. Great going, guys. Great going. Out of 85 of you, 71 have got this right. George said wrong. Oh, George, was there some confusion? Yes? Anybody is having any confusion with this concept? Correct. Great going, everybody. Misclicks. It's okay. That happens. We have to be a little careful, right? I always tell you. No, ma'am, no confusions, right? So here we know that photosynthesis is a process wherein carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is taken in and oxygen is given out as a byproduct. So this here is a very simple example of questions wherein you need to read the options carefully. Yes? More than inhale, I would say that take in is the right word to use. Okay? Let's look at question number 5. All right then, we will answer first. What is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms, right? Is it water energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, or is it solar energy? So this is the unit test league that is going on, and right now we're discussing the chapter Nutrition in Plants, grade 7. Guys, be careful because I don't want misclicks as well. And Priya, don't give away the answer in the chat. It's very important that you just tell me you are done, right? Very good, everybody. Very good. Now, I understand why some of you would have gotten confused with water energy because, water is a raw material, right? So, but here you need to understand that water and carbon dioxide may be raw materials, but we know that ultimate source, right? Like, the ultimate source of energy that comes is the solar energy, and that solar energy needs to be utilized, and we see that there's conversion from solar to chemical energy. Yes, and that's how at the end of the day glucose is produced, and there is transfer of energy across the food chain, right? Yes, of course, it's a lot of carnivores, but of course we get the point. Now it's time for leaderboard as per your request. Yes, so let's see where everybody is at. All right then, I see Syed Azmat Hussain is the fastest with 4,878 points. We have followed by Aditi, Garvit, Shami, Anik, Dr. Naman, Ajitesh, Laranya, Johnny and Vanshika. Very good everybody, well done. And this is not just for them who are there on the leaderboard. Everybody who is here, well done to you as well. Very good, very good. Don't worry about your scoring. Just please don't worry. I am ninth, but it is not showing. You know, right, when we are using some platforms, it may have some glitches, but as long as it is aware in your screens properly, it is all right. So quick round of applause to everyone out here. You have 10 more questions. Don't get worried. Yes? Now this is the sixth question. Let's focus on the question here. We have 10 more to go. Answer fast. Identify the part that is labeled as X. So you have an image that is given to you on the screen, and which part is this? Is it chloroplast, mesophyll, foot hole or stomata? Let me know when you are done. We have 20 seconds left on the clock. Crystal clear. Amazing. Great guys, great. Yes, we have 10 more seconds. It's a very easy part. Palak is confused. Don't worry, don't worry. Let me know what the confusion is. Time's up. Ooh, I'm surprised, but it's okay, right? The answer here is stomata. And I understand why you would get confused with chloroplast here. Yes, I can get a feeling. Okay, so let's look at this. We know that carbon dioxide and water are needed, right? Water, of course, is absorbed by the roots and it is transported, yes, and it is transported from the roots to the upper parts till the leaves. Then we need carbon dioxide to enter. Now we know on the underside of the leaves, we have these openings known as stomata. Stoma is just for singular, right? Now, whenever you have to recognize stomata, look at this part here, right here that you see, no? These gourd-shaped cells, these bean-shaped cells that you see, this is what we call as stomata. Yes, bad diagram. It's okay. This is the diagram that we had, but don't worry. Focus on this part. The guard cell should give you the trick. Are we clear with this? Chloroplast, didn't we just see the image sometime back for chloroplast? It's a cell organelle, which means what you would have seen is that you would see a cell and you would see a zoom box of chloroplast. That's how you know it's chloroplast. Okay, all right. Are we clear? For those of you who are confused, are we clear with this? Looks like kidney. Yeah, it's a bean-shaped structure, right? Yes. Very good, very good. Moving on. Yes, we are clear. Now we're going to question number 7. And let's see what the question is. Let's focus. The raw materials for photosynthesis are, oh my god, I've given one answer away. Carbon dioxide and water, carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, nitrogen and water, or oxygen and water. Guys, I have given this answer away with some of the explanations. So in my understanding, all 82 of you who are here should be getting the answer. 82 should be getting this. Or how many ever are here? I can see the number is increasing to 85. But I need this answer. Oh no, we see some misclicks. Alright then. Time's up. Everybody has voted. I can see 59 of you have got this answer right, but 21 of you have gotten confused with this. Okay. Yes, it's not carbohydrates, right? It will be carbon dioxide and water. It will not be nitrogen and water because we're talking about what are the raw materials. What do we need for photosynthesis, no? So we know carbon dioxide and water will combine in the presence of what? Sunlight and chlorophyll, giving us glucose. And oxygen is a byproduct. So when we say raw materials, we need to be focused. Why is oxygen not required? So for photosynthesis, we don't require oxygen because carbohydrates are necessary, right? We need to produce glucose, right? So for that, we do not require oxygen. Because in glucose, if you see, there is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Yes. Now the carbon is what we get from the carbon dioxide. We have oxygen molecules or the oxygen atoms, or I would simply say oxygen atoms. I'm not going in detail, but all of that will come from already what is there. That is either from the water or it will be coming from the carbon dioxide itself, right? And we have hydrogen. Yes. So are we clear with this? Yes. Very good, Aghash. Very good. All right. So we are clear. Now moving on. Question number 8. Guys, that answer I actually thought you all will be getting it because I kept telling that. I know I can see so many hearts. I do. Right. Answer fast to get more points. Which one of the following is or are? Again, focus on the question. Is or are an example of symbiotic association? Lichens, rhizobium and legumes? None of these or both A and B. Thank you so much, Aghash. Yes, very good. No problem, Harshita. Do join the Menti. Link is there on top. You have the code as well. Oh, I can see some misclicks are there. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. 7 seconds left. Very simple one. I understood this. Okay. So guys, we're talking about symbiotic association. I actually thought this would have been an easy one. Because when we talk about symbiotic association, right, we know that it is when two organisms are mutually present and they help each other out. Now we have lichens, which is an example. But we also see rhizobium and legumes are the example. So it technically is both A and B, right? It will not only be one or the other. So are we clear with this? Because I'm surprised that a lot of you got confused with this. Yeah, Tia thought only lichens. No, we also see with rhizobium and the leguminous plants, because in the root nodules of leguminous plants, we will find rhizobium. Yes? So rhizobium will help with what? It will help with nitrogen fixation, and the leguminous plant will provide it with shelter. Yes? Right. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. Misclicks. All right. Oh, no, I'm not feeling bad. I thought that, this would have been a very easy question. I also don't like it when you guys, you don't get the points even when you know the concept, right? So from this, what I understand is you guys know the examples, right? You know the example, you are fully aware of it. It's just that you need to, when you are especially, and this is something you need to remember, it's for all of you, when you are writing the exams, this is what we tell you about. Read the questions and the options correctly, right? Because even though now you know the options, you know the concept, you know the answer, some of you got confused. So this is what we will keep telling you about. It's okay. Learn from this and I'm sure you will do, next question will be amazing. Next time when you get such a question. Okay, so this was about symbiotic association. Now let's move on to question number 9. Thank you so much journaling with me. Yes, all right. Yes, Ritika, everybody is very quick to answer, right? Yes. Pitcher plant is an example of what? Let's see the options. Saprotroph, autotroph, insectivore, or none of the above, right? Yes. Let's focus, Palak. Let's quickly go answer. Everybody, of course, remembers everyone here. Yes? Easy. I know, it's a very easy question. Most questions are simple only. Very good, everybody. We have 8 more seconds on the clock. Yes, all right. 1 more second left and time's up. Wonderful, everyone. 82 of you have got this right. Yes, I can see Saprotroph coming in as the answer. Now, we know that pitcher plant is also known as Nepenthes, okay? That's just like a more scientific name, right? And we know that it has a pitcher-like structure or a jug-like structure and it traps insects, right? To get its nitrogen. So, saprotrophs are those organisms which are found growing on dead and decaying matter. So, are we clear with this concept, Kushagra? We are clear? Let's go on to the next one. Question number 10, after which we have leaderboard, right? Let's have a quick look. Very good, Bhav. Very good, yes. Photosynthesis will not occur in leaves in the absence of guard cells, chlorophyll, vacuole, or space between the cells. Okay, focus on the question, right? When will photosynthesis not occur? What is utmost requirement? Prioritize the utmost requirement. Very good. Oh my god, there are some misclicks. Don't worry, guys. Anik is confused. Okay, Anik, tell me where you are confused. I'll help you out. Time's up. And very good, guys. Very good. It's chlorophyll. I can understand where you would have been confused. Yes, that is with the guard cells, right? I do get that part. But you know, at the end of the day, if chlorophyll is not there, we know that chlorophyll helps in trapping that solar energy. And if chlorophyll is not there, then we know that it would not be possible. Photosynthesis cannot occur. And we learned about various experiments, right? So various experiments that are related to photosynthesis, and we've learned about the importance of having what? Having the chloroplast and the chlorophyll. Yes. So now we have the leaderboard. Let's have a look. All right then, I can see that almost 70 of you are here, and very good. Defina is the fastest, but points wise we have Aditi with 9,652, followed by Anik, Abhishek, Defina, Arpita, Raj is here, Vanshika, Andrea, Shami and Ajitesh. Very good, everybody. Well done. So let's take a minute to clap for all of us. It's not just for the people who've made it to the leaderboard, but for all of us who are part of this quiz. Let's take a minute and have a big round of applause because you've done a wonderful job. Well done, Apsara. Well done. Yes? Yes. All right. Amazing. Take a minute and clap for everybody here. Right. Very good. Because you know, I always tell you, right? When you do this, you also help each other. You motivate each other, right? Yes. Right. So can we have a look at that as well, Ranjit? Can we? Right. All right, guys. Yes, let's go and let's get started with the next set of questions. The last set of questions that are going to be there, right? Question number 11. Very good, very good. When two organisms are good friends and live together and they benefit each other, such an association is termed as what? Symbiosis, saprotroph, both A and B or none of the above. So again, we have a very similar question to the rhizobium and we had for lichens. Read the question well, right? Yes. That's very good, Shweta. That is amazing that you are able to recall your important concepts. Yes, yes, yes. I'll make it faster, Ravi. Very fast we will do now. Rapid fire set. Very good, everybody. Very, very good. Yes. So we know that when two organisms benefit from one another and they mutually help each other out, we call this as symbiosis. Right. I know I just told the answer some time back. But I just wanted to know if you guys were getting confused or no, right? So that is what I was looking at. So we have lichens and rhizobium or leguminous plants. So, I mean, yes. So I hope with this it's easy. Now moving on to question number 12, right? Okay. Let's have a look at question number 12. Yeast, mushroom and bread mold are dash in nature. Yes? Is it saprophytic, insectivorous, autotrophic or parasitic? Right. That's great, Akash. That's great. I remember you from yesterday's quiz as well. Of course I do. And I'm sure, Akash, you must be telling me that, man, this ma'am has also given away some answers in between. Because I feel like this answer also I have kind of given it away, but not entirely. Right? Focus on yeast, mushroom, bread mold. All of them are fungi. Which means what? Very good, everybody. Very good. I understand that some of you have gotten confused with parasitic. Now, saprotrophic, or if you say saprophytic mode of nutrition, is a type of nutrition wherein they are found growing on dead and decaying matter. Right? But parasitic is when a living organism is entirely dependent on another living organism. Right? So that is what we mean by parasitic. So for those of you who got confused with it, I hope now you are clear. And thank you so much for the wonderful hearts that you are sending to me. I can see here. I feel very touched and loved. Now let's move on to question number 13. Yes? Very good, Akash. Yes, like a scooter. Let's have a look at this particular question. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Read the statement. This is a slightly tricky one. We have 4 statements and you have to figure out what combination of statements are correct. Don't rush to answer. All green plants can prepare their food. Most animals are autotrophs, right? Carbon dioxide is not required, or oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. Read the question. Don't rush to answer. Yes, it's very simple. All right then. Very good, guys. Very good. 1 and 4 is the correct. 1 and 4 statements were correct. I could see some of you have mentioned 1 and 2. 1 was all green plants prepare their own food, right? But all animals prepare their own food? No, right? Liberated means to give out, right? To give out oxygen. It's all as simple as that. Yes. So, of course, when we talk about photosynthesis, we know that all green plants. Why do we say all green plants? Again, green means that it has chlorophyll in it, right? So, if it says all green plants, so I would take a minute to explain this. All green plants versus most plants. So there's a difference. When the term green comes into the picture, you know that they will be doing photosynthesis, right? So that is important to understand, right? And another thing here is that when you say oxygen is given out, another fancy question would be, or another fancy way of saying is, it would be liberated. Yes, please don't give tough question. Okay. So there's a mixture of, little tough and little easy questions as well. So I think it's important that now we know, right? We're all exposed to different kinds of questions. This is how we would learn. So I hope now we are clear with the concept, right? Are we clear? Yes. Fourth statement was oxygen is liberated as a byproduct of photosynthesis. That was the fourth statement. Yes. Very good, Apsara. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 14, right? So we are going to question number 14. Don't worry, don't worry. So you can go back and always have a look. Identify the plant. Very easy one, guys. Look at the plant. We have pitcher plant, Drosera, Drosophilum, Venus flytrap. Very easy. Now again, those of you who have gotten confused with the previous question, you can come back, watch the class again to that portion and then you can have a look. Yes? It's a very easy question. Right. Wonderful. We have 6 seconds left on the clock. And time's up. Very good, everybody. Very, very good. So this plant right here is the Venus flytrap. Yes, we know that leaves are modified into traps and they, release digestive juices. Yes? There were some misclicks. It's okay. No problem, right? Were the 4 names? No, only pitcher plant and, see again, the other 2 are just there to confuse you. But the options that are there, pitcher plant is something that you've already seen and the image here was related to Venus flytrap, right? Yes. Now let's move on to the next one, question number 15, right? It was there, Anita, it was option number 4. Moving on, last question. Yes. The picture here shows, alright, this is a little tough question, okay? Hostoria of Cuscuta, Hostoria of pitcher plant, Hostoria of Drosophilum, or all of the above. Now, Hostoria, for those of you who are maybe new to the class and you've not watched the session on the channel yet, Hostoria are those roots or their structures which help in sucking the nutrients. And we find them in parasites. So, identify the plant which is a parasite here. Yes, one example is very outright and easy. Very good, everybody. Very good. I can see some of you got confused with this. It's okay, I understand. But Cuscuta is the example, right? Cuscuta is an example of a parasite. I know, I gave the answer, Defina. Yes, so here we know that Cuscuta is a parasite which is found growing on a host plant. It uses this Hostoria to suck the nutrients from the host plant so that it can survive. And as you can see, we see that they're just thin and slender and we know that it is not, it's not easy. It cannot make its own food, not easy to make its own food. It is not able to make its own food. So with this, we come to the end of today's Menti Quiz. It's the last leaderboard that we have with us. And let's see the results here. Whoa! Congratulations, Aditi. You have scored 14,261 points. We have Defina, who is still the fastest, right? We have Anik, we have Raj, Shami, Vanshika, Abhishek, Apsara, Andrea, and Arpita. Congratulations to everybody out here, right? Everybody, you have done such a wonderful job. I am so proud and happy with all of you. The enthusiasm that you show, right? Everything is important. So great going, guys. Quick round of applause for everybody out there. Yes? Vishesh, no, that is, don't say that, right? Please don't say that. Nobody say that we lost. Losing is a very negative way of saying it. I did well, right? That's what I want you to feel about. Very good, everyone. Very good. A quick round of applause. Congratulations. And most importantly, did you have a lot of fun today in the Menti Quiz, right? So today's Menti Quiz was not just direct questions. We had some interesting questions as well. Did you enjoy the class today? Yes, all right. No problem, Saurabh. No problem. Yes, okay. One more question. I wish I could give it. Right, very good, everybody, very good. I'm glad that you enjoyed it, but I think what is important is that you learn, right? You have to learn in the class. So if you make mistakes also, it is okay, but what is important is that you are learning, because this is not just, you know, for the UTL. This is, we are preparing you for your exams that you will be giving later on in the year, and you need to have that confidence. So here's a quick reminder for the BYJU'S mini learning program, where the YTFREE code offer ends on 17th of July. And you know that the 6 to 8 channel has always got you covered no matter what. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And please let me know if you've enjoyed this session in the comment section as well. And if you want more such sessions, or if you have some specific things in mind, let us know in the comments, because you know I always check your comments, right? Yes, all right. All the best for the classes that are going to be there ahead. Hoping to see you very soon again. Bye-bye and have a nice day.